Bonjour first grade students, how are you today? I hope that you're so good. Today we will take lesson 2 in unit 4. Our lesson today is about nature. Today we will take student book page 46. So please bring your book and open it on page 46. Let's start. This is the meaning of nature. Nature. So nature means الطبيعة, okay? Everything around us, كل شيء موجود حوالينا is a nature, طبيعة, okay? Like animals, like trees, like rocks. This is the nature, like sea, like the water, the ocean, the sun, the sky. This is nature. Nature. This is the meaning of this word. Today we will take page 46. Please at the top write the day and the date. Today is Wednesday, 9/12/2020. Write the day and the date and let's start. Exercise number 1. Look, listen and say. So first of all we have to look to these pictures. نطلع على هذه الpictures الموجودة. Then we will listen to the audio and say what do we see. So at the beginning here the title عنوان هدول اللي بيجمع الpictures nature. So كل هدول الموجودين in the picture they are talking about عم يحكوا أو they are about nature. What does it mean nature? الطبيعة. Okay? Nature. Please repeat the word. كلنا نعيد الكلمة. Nature. So nature means الطبيعة. Let's listen to the audio.
Unit 4, Lesson 2, page 46. Exercise 1. Look, listen, and say. Nature. Tree. Flower. Mushroom. Nest. Rock. Plant.
Okay, so these words هذه الكلمات are about nature, things أشياء موجودة بالطبيعة. The first one tree, شجرة, tree. The second one flower. Flower means وردة. Mushroom, okay? So mushroom means اللي هو الفطر, if you know it. Nest means اللي هي عش, okay? For the birds, العش بيكون للطيور. Rock, R-O, rock, اللي هي الصخرة. Plant, plant, نبتة. So tree, flower, mushroom, nest, rock, plant, sky, moon, sun, ocean, sea, river. كل هدول الشغلات موجودين in the nature بالطبيعة. Okay? Nature. Okay, so again let's read the words. Tree, flower, mushroom, nest, rock, plant. These are what things that we can see نقدر نشوفها around us حوالينا in the nature بالطبيعة. Okay? Perfect. Now we will listen again to the audio and repeat after him. رح نعيد together معه. Okay? يلا let's start.
Unit 4, Lesson 2, page 46. Exercise 1. Look, listen, and say.
Nature. Tree. Flower. Mushroom. Nest. Rock. Plant. Perfect. Good job. Now let's move on to this picture. هذه البيكتشر الموجودة قدامنا okay in front of us بتحكي عن nature عن الطبيعة. As you can see كل إشي موجود in this picture is a part of the nature هو جزء من nature الطبيعة. Here we have the river هذا النهر هو nature. We have the trees هي nature. We have the rock اللي هم rocks الصخور nature. Okay, we have a plant and flowers, they are nature. Okay, so everything in this picture is a part of جزء من the nature. Okay, now let's move on to exercise number 2. Listen and write, tick or an X. So we will listen to the word. رح نسمع للكلمة. If it was لو كانت هذه اللي موجودة in the picture we will write tick. إذا كانت wrong خطأ we will write cross. So or X. Let's start.
Unit 4, Lesson 2, page 46. Exercise 2. Listen and write a check or an X. Number 1.
1.
Flower.
Flower. So yes, flower.
Number
Check.
2. Plant.
Number 2, plant. Wrong.
Number 3.
خطأ. 3.
Tree.
Tree. صح tree. Correct.
Number 4.
4.
Rock.
No, it's wrong. So the first one, check, X, check, X. Perfect. Now let's see this exercise. هذا extra exercise. تمرين رح نعمله extra. Read and tick the correct word. So we will read, hear the words and look to the picture and tick the correct one. In the first one, we have a tree or bird. Here in the picture. Is it a tree or bird? Bravo, tree. So tick tree. Number 2, flower or cloud? It's a flower. So tick flower. Number 3, pond or rock? This one is a rock. So tick the rock. The last one, mushroom or pond? It's a mushroom. So mushroom الفطر, okay? Sometimes في نوع من أنواع الفطر we eat it, بناكله for eating. So mushroom. So here tick the mushroom. This is our lesson for today. It was about nature, الطبيعة. We have to save the nature. لازم نحافظ على nature, our nature, الطبيعة, okay? Perfect. This is our lesson for today and thank you so much.